So in this video, you'll learn how to change the font size on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you want to increase the font size or to decrease it, then the first step is just go ahead and open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, you're then going to scroll and select Display. And under Display, you're going to scroll down until you find Font Size and Style. Tap on it. From here, you should then see a slider at the bottom labeled Font Size, and you should see a small a and a big A to show how you're going to be sliding the scale. So on the left-hand side, it's the smaller size, and on the right-hand side, it's bigger. You'll also have a preview at the top that can be able to help you choose which size you'd prefer to use. So now all you need to do is just press on this handle and just drag it across the scale until you find your preferred size. You'll notice as you switch between sizes, you can see the preview changing to show you how it would look like if you chose that specific size. If you're ready to set that font size as your preferred option, then you can just let go of the scale and it will be the changes will be added onto your phone. So now if you navigate through it, you'll notice that the font size has been successfully changed. You can always choose to go back to font size and style and just change the font size again if you don't like the first option. So have fun customizing the font size on your Galaxy phone using this slider. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.